Hello XtraEdge users. My name is Chandni and I'm a customer success manager at XtraEdge. At XtraEdge, we are helping the admissions team win. Our today's topic of discussion is how to bulk upload lead list from an Excel template and what are failed lead feature in XtraEdge. So let's begin. In order to see how to bulk upload a template, we navigate to the lead list panel on the extreme left side. And at the bottom right corner, we can see a upload option available, this orange icon. When you click on upload lead, you can see you can fill out all the necessary details like the lead owner. When you will upload the data, who will be the lead owner of that particular leads. I select this. Do you want to send a welcome email or welcome SMS as soon as the leads are added? If you wish to do that, you can check this. Otherwise, you can uncheck them. You have to download a template from here. Make sure this is a .csv file. So if you have an Excel template, convert that Excel template to .csv and open this Excel template. So you can see lead campaign name, first name, mobile, email. You can add the first name of the lead, mobile number and email here. This particular format or template is totally customizable based on your usage. Paste your data below the headers. These are the headers. Paste your data below the headers. Save the file on desktop and choose the same file to bulk upload. So if I show you, if you save that, you fill the data and you save that, choose the same file from here. If you have any commas, replace that comma with dot in the Excel. Do not add or update header name in bulk upload template. One can check the data in failed leads. Now what are failed leads? If you upload all the data from here and assume that you have added any extra space while doing that, or you have added any extra data in that Excel template, then system will give you in failed list. You can have failed leads here. So in failed leads, you can find all the failed leads that you have uploaded but not uploaded into the system. Due to maybe comma is not replaced by dot or spaces are there. So you can find the data here. And if you wish to upload it again, you can upload the data again by clicking on this button. I hope you've understood how to use this. Stay tuned for our next video. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you.